Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Jesus is Love on piano. First, let's identify the key and time signatures to set our foundation. Then, we'll focus on the basic chord progression for the verse, which is crucial for the song's structure. Finally, begin practicing the right-hand melody line, ensuring you hit each note clearly. This initial step is vital for building your overall performance. Now, let's dive into mastering the left hand. Focus on the bass notes and explore different chord inversions to add depth. Understanding how to voice your chords effectively will make a significant difference in the song's richness. Practice transitioning smoothly between each chord change, aiming for a seamless flow. This will give your playing a professional and polished sound. Moving to the right hand, concentrate on developing fluidity in your melody playing. Once comfortable, try incorporating simple harmonies to enrich the overall sound and add texture. Pay close attention to dynamics and expression. These elements are key to conveying the song's emotion and making your performance truly impactful. Practice slowly to ensure precision before increasing tempo. Finally, it's time to combine both hands for a cohesive and complete performance. Practice slowly, ensuring each hand works together seamlessly. Use a metronome to maintain a steady tempo and improve your rhythm. Remember, consistency is key to mastery. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's Black Ice. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing Jesus is Love beautifully in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.